Chinese EV automaker XPENG Motors is planning to make a car under 30,000 US dollars to rival the Tesla Model 3. If you've never heard of XPENG or Xiaopeng Motors, click this video up above. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about XPENG's plans to create that $30,000 or less sedan to rival that Tesla Model 3. I'm going to go into how this could affect the electric vehicle market at large, as well as how this could help XPENG dominate just like Tesla. I'll also briefly go over XPENG Stock, XPEV, and show you why I think it's a great stock to hold long term. Before we hop into all of that, I want to ask you all watching a question. Since you all obviously clicked on this video about XPENG Motors and electric vehicles, what more do you want to see from me? Because I really want to see all of you subscribers out there wanting to come back and watch more of my videos. Go comment down below real quick what you think, and I just wanted to thank you all for almost 16,000 subscribers. Alright, now let's get right into the video. So the past few weeks have been a bit crazy as far as electric vehicle news has been concerned. First, we have the huge news of Tesla being included into the S&P 500. We also had NIO stock price targets rising above $50 a share. And there were earning calls for the big three Chinese EV automakers, XPENG, NIO, and Li Auto. I originally was going to talk about that Tesla being included into the S&P 500, but everyone's already made a video about that. Then I came across this short article saying that XPENG Motors was going to be making a small sedan under 30,000 US dollars, and that their batteries are going to be cheaper in the next few years. According to Seeking Alpha, XPENG will debut this third model alongside their G3 and P7 to be its flagship smaller sedan. This car will be priced under 30,000 US dollars, and it'll be available at the end of 2021. Now this is crazy news if it is true. XPENG will be creating a vehicle that's really an affordable 100% electric vehicle. Only a few companies have been able to do this so far. So what does this really mean for the electric vehicle market as a whole? Well, to be honest, it's extremely good for competition and consumers. On one hand, you have the consumer that's sometimes priced out of these electric vehicles like Teslas and even NIOs because they can't afford them, but this vehicle by XPENG, if under 30,000 US dollars, would make it very affordable for a large amount of people. And this also sparks up competition between EV automakers. Tesla and others would be pressured to release a vehicle that's a bit cheaper and more affordable. I've said in some of my previous videos that Tesla has really been taking the cake so far because of their affordable Tesla Model 3, and this new XPENG car would be even cheaper than the Model 3. Now, if NIO, XPENG, and others can drop the prices of their cars, they'll be able to compete way more with the likes of Tesla in the global electric vehicle market. I do also think that in 2021, you'll see XPENG move to global markets to really get their name out there. Xiaopeng Motors definitely wants to be a global brand, as we've seen them push into the European market. Now, one thing I'm really curious about is how this car is actually going to look. Is it going to be basically just a smaller version of the XPENG P7, or will it be a totally new concept? Because I know some smaller cars can look a bit ugly. I wasn't able to find any pictures of this XPENG small sedan or even any concepts of it, so if any of you come across them, put them down below in the comments. Moving on from the cheap XPENG sedan that's going to be released at the end of 2021, there are also reports that XPENG will be getting some cheaper batteries. Now, what does cheaper batteries really mean? So basically, XPENG will be partnering up with an LFP battery provider that will make it so they can get their batteries a little bit cheaper than they are now. And what do cheaper batteries mean? Cheaper cars. The plan for these new batteries is to start rolling them out in XPENG P7s at the beginning of 2021. And analysts think that this will drive the price of XPENG's cars down. This will definitely make it so XPENG is more competitive price-wise against other automakers. Now finally, what is the current price target for XPENG Stock XPEV? The current price target by Bank of America is $43 a share. This also comes along with a buy rating. Now this is basically around what XPENG stock is right now. I'll throw up the chart for XPEV right on the screen now. Now I use Webull to trade all of my EV stocks, and if you want to as well, along with getting 3 free stocks, each of them worth up to $1,600 a piece, go down in the description. I have a referral link that can get you those free stocks just for downloading the app. XPENG's Q3 earnings were kind of as expected, maybe a little bit better, but I definitely think in 2021, we'll see huge growth by XPENG. Mark my words, I think 2021 we'll see all of these up and coming EV companies like NIO, XPENG, Li Auto, Workhorse, we'll see them all explode. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.